Hey, what's up, DIYers? Mike Bors with the Mike Bors channel. Thank you for watching. We're talking toilets today. Have you ever heard of a pressure flush system inside a toilet? They're kind of awesome. Some people will say, well, they're not that awesome, but they're kind of that awesome. They're kind of like engineering at its finest in the toilet department world. Let's take a look.
All right, DIYers on the computer now. I went to Lowe's.com. You can get these at Lowe's, Home Depot, Amazon, and several other places. And what this is called is a universal pressure assist flush system. And if you have not heard about these are pretty slick and reduce the likelihood of clogging a toilet by a substantial percentage. And as you can see right here, $132.12. Again, this is just for the kit, not for the tank, not for the toilet or the toilet seat. This is just the actual internal pressure casing and kit that goes inside your tank. As you can see here, you can see the outline of the tank itself. I'll scroll down a bit, and this is what it will look like inside your tank, which is far different than any internal tank that you've probably seen over the years, and we'll talk more about this. However, up to here, you can see as far as reviews, it's got 5 stars and a 4 next to it, and chances are what that means is there are 4 reviews, and without looking into it, I'm guessing that all 4 of these reviewers have recommended this product. However, down to this section here, again, the Universal Pressure Assist Flush System. It is a complete pressure assist flush system, and this is a cool feature used with right or left hand flush handles, which is neat. Let me scroll down a bit, and I'll just give you a quick review on this. FlushMate Pressure Assist technology offers the only true high-performance, low-consumption alternative to meet consumer expectations. This is why every leading toilet manufacturer offers a toilet with FlushMate inside. It's also why you'll find FlushMate inside low-consumption toilets in virtually every market, from hotels to schools to commercial buildings. However, I will say that these style toilets or flush systems are so much more common in hotels and schools and commercial buildings as opposed to homes. However, they are gaining popularity in the homeowners market because, again, the performance of them, reliability of them, and not to mention the substantial lower percentage in the possibility of your toilet getting clogged. So what I recommend is figuring out what brand of toilet you have, whether it's Kohler, Glacier Bay, American Standard, etc., and looking up what type of pressure assist flush system you can purchase kit-wise and install in your tank. Again, it's not the toilet, it's just the kit. However, it is important to share that if you are getting a new toilet, you can actually buy a toilet that already has this pressure assist flush system kit installed in the tank. And really that would alleviate the portion of the project where you have to remove all the conventional or standard internal parts of your tank and install this pressure casing inside your tank. All you would have to do is remove your toilet, which scrolling above we have a link on how to remove a toilet, and after that install your brand new toilet that already has this pressure casing and flush system inside. And what I want to do now is go to a FlushMate website, and here's a top view as you can see right here. And the first thing that comes to my mind when I see something like this is the cleanliness of the internal tank. And what I mean by that is take a look at that pressure casing. There is no water, everything is internal, which is completely opposite of your conventional flush system where everything is exposed and making contact with the water. And as most of us know, when it comes time to remove that tank cap or cover, whether it's time to complete routine maintenance or clean it, these internal tanks can get very dirty over the years. So again, the cleanliness of this design is an attracting asset to this design, to me personally. Again, very clean and organized, and I like that. At this point, DIYers, now that we have a general overview on the pressure type system, what I want to do now is take you to one of our toilets, which still has the standard or conventional style flush system. And after that, I'll patiently wait until the next time I spend a night in a hotel that has this pressure style flush system, and I'll open up the tank cover and show you how it works. However, real quick, I'm going to scroll down. More power, less water, 5-year warranty, which is nice, and a couple designs. This is where I want to show you what brand of toilets it is compatible with. On the far left, you see a Sloan and Kohler and Gerber and Mansfield. And as I mentioned earlier, in addition, you've got Glacier Bay, American Standard, and a few others that this kit is compatible with. But before you purchase, you might want to give FlushMate a call. Tell them what kind of toilet you have. There should be a serial number for your toilet inside the tank. You can provide that serial number to them to ensure that they sell you the compatible kit for your exact toilet. In front of us now is a standard toilet setup, nothing that you have not seen in the past. As you see, a lot of water exposed, a lot of opportunity for rust, calcium, or corrosion to build. And I'll just demonstrate a normal flush. All right, DIYers, the wait is over. We are in a hotel in Los Angeles, California, and in front of us in our bathroom is a Kohler elongated toilet. And guess what's inside that tank? Yes, a pressure assist flush kit. And we're going to come in the bathroom. First thing I want to show you, I'll open up the toilet seat and I'm going to flush the actual toilet. And you'll notice 2 things, a different sound as well as a much more aggressive flush. Pretty cool, right? No more clogging that toilet.
And from here, as it fills up, I want to remove that tank cap. Taking a step back, I remove the tank cover or cap, and check that out, DIYers. Inside that tank is that kit as I showed you on the computer. And first glance, again, cleanliness. No water inside that tank. No rust, no corrosion, no calcification, no sludge buildup, no grime. And overall sanitary-wise, a lot cleaner than your standard or conventional style internal tank from the conventional flush system. And over on the side, you see the bar that extends from the lever to the internal hook, which flushes the system. And you get a sticker right here, model number, serial number, and series number, and caution, pressure vessel to prevent injury, turn water supply off, and flush unit prior to servicing. What I want to do now is flush the toilet with the cover off and show you what happens inside. Again, no water in the internal tank. It's all inside that pressure vessel or casing, and it is filling up right now. And again, very clean design and very effective, as that added pressure helps alleviate this toilet from being clogged. And DIYers, that's it, really. I just wanted to show you this design and option. From here, do us a favor, below the video, you will see that thumbs up icon. Click on that, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Definitely ring your YouTube bell. That would be very helpful to us. We'd really appreciate it. Thanks again for watching. And real quick, DIYers, if you're trying to figure out the model number or serial number and specifications of your toilet, might be on the internal portion of the tank. However, if it's not, go to the underside of your cap or cover and see if it's there. And in most cases right here, you see the brand, and down below, as I get closer to it, you see 1.6 gallons / 6 liters per flush. So take that into consideration when you're shopping for your pressure kit. Thanks again for watching.